Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Food Delight by Mena. Today we're going to be baking chocolate chip cookies with rainbow and chocolate sprinkles. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe and put the notification button on so you get notified when I publish a new video. Thank you, let's get into the video. Okay, so for the ingredients to start, we're going to need 1 egg, 150 grams butter, 300 milliliters of flour, 150 milliliters of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 150 milliliters of sprinkles or as much as you need and want, and around 16 cubes of chocolate to add in our chocolate chips cookies. I'm gonna also add these ingredients in the description box. So we start by adding the 115 grams of butter and together with 150 milliliters of sugar and mix all together using the mixture. As you can see, it becomes a little bit more fluffier after we have mixed it all together. Then we add our egg into the mix and mix it all together. After mixing it all together, we add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar also and mix it again. It should become more fluffier. As you can see, it becomes more fluffier and more white, and that's the result we need. So in a separate bowl, we're going to be adding 300 milliliters of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. We're going to be adding all these 3 ingredients together in the bowl, and then finally adding it to our mixture that we have on the other side. As you can see, now I'm adding this mixture that I just did recently into the bowl. I'm gonna mix it slowly. I'm adding slowly all together so it doesn't become so hard. I'm just mixing it with my mixer. As you can see, it becomes more and more as a dough, as it should be. You're going to feel that the mixture becomes harder and harder, and that's the result I need. So after mixing it, you can see the results of the dough. And now I added half of the amount of the sprinkles, the 75 milliliters of sprinkles, both combined, the chocolate and the rainbow. Then I'm adding the other half when I do the cookie balls. I'm going to show you later. So I just cut around 16 cubes of chocolate to be adding to my cookies. So I'm adding them to the cookie dough. I'm going to be mixing it all together with my hand. And this amount of chocolate could be adjusted according to your own taste. And we're going to mix it carefully and try to make all the chocolate go into the dough. And then finally, after we mix it all together, we're going to make it go to the put it in the refrigerator for around 1 hour. So after it's mixed, now it's going to go into the refrigerator for 1 hour. This amount made 22 chocolate chip cookies, as you can see. I just rolled them into small balls and just patted them with my 2 fingers just to make them a little bit more oval. And then I added the rest of the sprinkles on top. So after I'm done, I'm going to put them in the oven for 15 minutes in 175 degrees. This is the results after being in the oven for 15 minutes. Please take care that it should be soft when you take it out, because it gets harder when you leave it outside. So remove it from the oven when you find that it's soft and it's just giving a little bit of brown surface. That's the right time. My timing was exactly 15 minutes in 175 degrees. As you can see the cookie, the fantastic result. The chocolate is melted in the inside. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe and turn on the notification buttons to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you.